With pollution and water scarcity, it has become hard to be sure about the quality of the water we drink. These best water filtration systems will let you drink safely. The 5th placed Multi-Pure Aqua RO system can reduce up to 82 contaminants from your drinking water. It uses a 5-stage process to filter your water, including cysts, chlorine, lead, and asbestos. The filters have a lifespan of approximately 6 months. This drinking water filter system will fit nicely underneath your kitchen sink and comes with an included faucet. This system uses 5 stages to filter your water. It includes 3 pre-filters, an RO membrane, and a post-filter. Each stage of the water filtering process will remove different contaminants from your water. The 3 pre-filters can last for 6 months, while the RO membrane can last 2 to 3 years. The Pelican Water Pro is at number 4. This 6-stage under-countertop reverse osmosis drinking water filtration and purification system with brushed nickel faucet dispenser produces high-quality drinking water quickly and easily. It is certified to NSF/ANSI 42 and 53 for the reduction of 60-plus contaminants, including chlorine, chloramine, lead, cysts, mercury, and VOCs. The system features hygienically sealed filter cartridges and color-coded fittings for fast installation and easy service. Compared to a traditional RO system, the Pelican delivers 30% more flow from the faucet, and the 50 GPD membranes quickly refill the storage tank. The video description, which you can find below, contains all the additional information and buying links for the featured products. The 75 GPD 6-stage APEC top-tier alkaline mineral takes the 3rd place. It removes up to 99% of bacteria, viruses, cysts, organics, chemicals, and more. The feed water pressure can be anywhere between 40 to 85 psi. Its US-made cartridge uses food-grade calcium from a trusted source for safe, proven water pH enhancement. It uses premium long-lasting filters to treat tap and well water. The system comes with 100% lead-free designer faucet plus FDA-certified JG food-grade tubing and parts to provide safe, contamination-free pure water. You can also avail a 2-year extended manufacturer warranty with registration. This runner-up Aquasana 3-stage max flow system features the superior water filtration of a 3-stage system plus the increased capacity of 800 gallons. There's an additional pre-filter to catch sediment and reduce clogging for high sediment areas. The 3-stage max flow selectively filters more contaminants out, like lead, chlorine, chloramines, and cysts, while preserving beneficial minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. The product is NSF certified to remove 61 contaminants, including 97% of chlorine and 97% of chloramines. The components are easy to replace with an easy change design with no need to disconnect hoses or water lines. The HomeMaster Artesian Full Contact with Permeate Pump RO system is the best water filter in the market. It makes use of larger fittings and tubing than traditional systems to double the flow rate. The patented remineralization system pH balances the water on the way to the storage tank and once again on the way to the faucet, adding a small amount of calcium and magnesium minerals to improve the taste. It starts with stripping the water clean, removing up to 98% of chlorine, chloramines, chemicals, heavy metals, dissolved solids, pharmaceuticals, and other contaminants using reverse osmosis, sediment, and catalytic carbon filtration. Then it channels the water through the remineralization system. Like and share the video if you loved it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. The bell icon helps with getting instant notifications.